Have you ever found yourself in a frustrating situation where your phone just doesn't play nice with your business communication system? It's like trying to force a square peg into a round hole. But fear not, because today we're diving into the world of RingCentral and exploring the phones that actually do work seamlessly with this popular cloud-based communication platform. Imagine this. You're a busy entrepreneur juggling multiple tasks, and your phone is your lifeline to the world. You need a device that can handle your personal calls, business calls, and even video conferences. And you need it to integrate flawlessly with your communication system. That's where RingCentral comes in. The problem, but here's the catch. Not all phones are created equal. Some are better suited for RingCentral than others. And if you choose the wrong phone, you could be in for a world of trouble. The solution. So, how do you know which phones are compatible with RingCentral? And what factors should you consider when making your decision? That's what we're going to answer today. Understanding RingCentral. Let's start by understanding what RingCentral is. It's a cloud-based communication platform that offers features like voice calls, video conferencing, messaging, and more. It's designed to help businesses streamline their communication and improve productivity. Compatibility factors. Now, let's talk about the factors that determine whether a phone is compatible with RingCentral. These include operating system. RingCentral primarily supports iOS and Android devices. While there are some options for Windows phones, they may have limited features. Hardware requirements. Your phone needs to have certain hardware specifications to run RingCentral smoothly. This includes sufficient processing power, memory, and storage. Network connectivity. A reliable internet connection is essential for using RingCentral. Your phone should have a strong Wi-Fi or cellular connection. Best phones for RingCentral. Now, let's get to the fun part. The best phones for RingCentral. Here are some top recommendations. iPhone models. iPhone 14 series, iPhone 13 series, iPhone 12 series, and older models with iOS 13 or later. Android phones. Samsung Galaxy S series, Google Pixel series, OnePlus series, and other high-end Android phones with Android 8.0 or later. Additional considerations. Budget. Consider your budget when choosing a phone. While you don't need the most expensive model, you'll want to ensure it has the necessary specifications to run RingCentral smoothly. Features. Think about the specific features you need from your phone. If you do a lot of video conferencing, you might want a phone with a high-quality camera. Personal preferences. Ultimately, the best phone for you is the one that fits your personal preferences and needs. Troubleshooting tips. If you're having trouble with your phone and RingCentral, here are some troubleshooting tips. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a strong and stable internet connection. Update the RingCentral app. Make sure you're using the latest version of the RingCentral app. Restart your phone. Sometimes, a simple restart can solve minor issues. Contact RingCentral support. If you're still having problems, don't hesitate to reach out to RingCentral support for assistance. So, there you have it. We've explored the world of RingCentral and the phones that work best with it. By considering factors like operating system, hardware requirements, and network connectivity, you can choose a phone that will seamlessly integrate with your business communication system. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep your phones charged and your communication lines open.